Hi everyone, Wei Leon here, co-founder of Affinity AI. We created BitAI with one simple goal, to bring real value to you through AI automation where you can start easily and let AI help you grow both your wealth and time automatically. Now, let me show you how BitAI works. You can start to access BitAI on both app and web version. The moment you have done setting up the API, AI activation and risk profile setting, BitAI will analyze real-time market data to perform trades 24/7 automatically. We're having a BitAI seminar for crypto users in Singapore to show you how the software works. Before coming for the seminar, you can register for your free BitAI account right here below. After you're done, create a Binance account with your KYC done and enable futures trading. After that, register with a MAS regulated exchange like StraitsX or Independent Reserve. Once completed, simply just select your seminar session and I'll see you there.